Older homes in Redmond often have charm, character, and architectural details that make them unique. However, many of these properties were built with windows that no longer meet modern expectations for comfort, efficiency, or appearance. Replacement windows play a key role in updating older homes while preserving what makes them special. For homeowners looking to modernize without losing character, new windows can make a noticeable difference. Preserving character while updating appearance. One common concern among owners of older Redmond properties is maintaining the original look of the home. Replacement windows are designed to complement a wide range of architectural styles, allowing homeowners to update functionality without compromising aesthetics. Modern window designs can mirror traditional proportions and details while offering a cleaner, more refined appearance. This balance helps older homes feel refreshed rather than replaced, preserving curb appeal while enhancing overall presentation. Improving comfort throughout the home. Older windows often allow drafts, temperature swings, and outside air to enter the home. Over time, this can make rooms feel uncomfortable and inconsistent. Replacement windows are built to fit precisely, reducing air leakage and creating a more stable indoor environment. For Redmond homeowners, this improvement is often felt immediately. Living spaces become more comfortable, and rooms near windows no longer feel noticeably warmer or cooler than the rest of the house. Enhancing energy performance. Energy efficiency is a major factor in modernizing older homes. Outdated windows can place extra strain on heating and cooling systems by allowing conditioned air to escape. Replacement windows help reduce this energy loss by providing better insulation and tighter seals. By improving energy performance, homeowners in Redmond can enjoy more consistent temperatures while supporting more efficient energy use. This upgrade often leads to reduced energy waste and a home that feels better balanced year-round. Reducing noise and creating a quieter interior. Many older windows offer little protection from outside noise. Thin glass and worn seals allow sound to travel easily into the home. Replacement windows help create a quieter indoor environment by minimizing sound transfer. For Redmond properties located near active streets or neighborhoods, this improvement can significantly enhance daily comfort. A quieter home supports relaxation, focus, and overall well-being. Refreshing interior design and natural light. Replacement windows can dramatically change how interior spaces look and feel. Clean lines, updated frames, and improved glass clarity help brighten rooms and make interiors feel more modern. In older Redmond homes, new windows often enhance natural light without creating glare or discomfort. Brighter spaces feel more open and welcoming, supporting both everyday living and entertaining. Addressing wear and structural issues. Over time, older windows may show signs of deterioration such as rot, warping, or difficulty opening and closing. These issues affect not only appearance but also safety and functionality. Replacement windows solve these problems by providing smooth operation and reliable performance. For Redmond homeowners, this means fewer frustrations and less concern about ongoing repairs. Increasing property appeal and long-term value. Modernizing an older property isn't just about comfort, it's also about value. Replacement windows are a visible upgrade that signals care and investment in the home. Buyers are often drawn to properties that blend classic charm with modern features. Even if selling isn't an immediate goal, Redmond homeowners benefit from knowing that replacement windows enhance long-term appeal and market readiness. A thoughtful upgrade for older homes. Replacement windows play an essential role in bringing older Redmond properties into the modern era. They improve comfort, appearance, efficiency, and functionality, all while respecting the home's original character. For homeowners who want to enjoy the best of both worlds, replacement windows offer a smart, lasting solution that modernizes living spaces and enhances everyday life without sacrificing what makes an older home special.